If you're struggling, overwhelmed with scales, or your solo sound boring, this could be exactly what you need. Something very simple, something very easy to practice, and something very easy to internalize. Here is the solo. So as I said, most players play way too many notes. Let's just go quickly through the solo to give you an understanding on the thought process behind it when I created it. And then the same rhythm, but playing the different chord notes. Second line, same rhythm. Just a rundown there, playing the triad. Almost like what I always think with these type of, like the being inspired by Louis by his Hot Five, it's almost question, answer, call, response. The next, the E7 chord, very Muskrat Ramble-ish. One. Just playing the chords. Just playing the chords with syncopated rhythms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1. It's the rhythm that makes it, guys. If I was just playing up and down those triads, it would sound very, very boring very, very quickly. But to my ears, this sounds pretty authentic. Here, G major 7, we're starting to run around a bit more. And then a Sweet Georgia Brown rhythmic quote. And then I'm just playing again the triad of the D major 7, the F diminished, and the E minor 7, and the A7, finishing on the 3rd. So as I mentioned at the beginning, this solo is completely free with a backing track and a demo recording, and it is in the description, and I'll pin a comment to the Gumroad link. If you want to leave a small tip, you can. Some people do, some people don't. Fantastic if you do. If you want to go deeper with me, if you've liked the lessons, then I do have a monthly jazz membership, and there's over 20 lessons and 20 jazz solos, and a whole nother level where you could have your solos critiqued, and I'll give you a practice plan. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share if you think this video's helped you. And also in the comments, let me know what your biggest struggle is with jazz trumpet improvisation, and I'll see if I can help with the video.